Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended his greetings to the Indian Air Force on occasion of Air Force Day. President Draupadi Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar met with the President of Maldives, Dr. Mohammed Midzu, in New Delhi yesterday. The counting of votes is underway for assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana. The counting commenced at 8 this morning and results will be expected to start coming around noon. Red Panda program of Darjeeling's Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoo selected as finalists for Waza Conservation Award. President Draupadi Murmu will confer the 70th National Film Awards for the year 2022 in New Delhi today. Actor Mithun Chakraborty will be honoured with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award.